There's no regret. We took things slow.
Hi guys, today I'll be doing a crochet braid hairstyle, and this is my braiding pattern. Nothing too fancy, as you can see. I just do this crazy thing right here, and this is how the back is looking. And I'll go in with the crochet needle, latch hook, whatever you want to call it, and secure the back part so it can go in and crochet the hair.
There's no way you've wasted time with me. I feel my dreams for us coming true. We build a space for
the hair I'll be using is the free twist deep twist, and this is 22 inches. I'll go in and cut the hair in two because I'm going for a bob look, you all, so no need to use the hair as long as it is. I'm starting to crocheting from the back, and I'm doing the regular crochet method where you just push the latch hook through the hair, put the hair on and pull it through. Then you knot the hair 1, 2, 3, 4, or how many times you want to do it, but I'm just knotting mine 2 times because I ain't keeping this hair in for long, you all, so no need to go in and do crazy with the knotting, okay? As you can see, I'm using the crochet hair very sparsely, and this is just because I want my hair to look natural as it can be. I don't want to use too much hair. Maybe you're thinking, oh, doing this way, it's going to take forever. But for me, guys, no, it ain't taking no time, and I have the patience, okay?
you walking down to me. You look beautiful in white, and I found to protect you for all time. I dream you're standing next to me as you place your hands in mine, and I vow to be yours, vow to love you for the rest. I dream you walking down to me. You look beautiful in white, and I vow to protect you for all time. I dream.
Now I'm at the front, and I'm going to do the invisible crochet method where I only tie one part of the hair so the knot falls into the middle of the hair with the braid. This gives you that natural look. I'll be doing the invisible crochet method all throughout this funny looking braid, you all.
As I hear your voice next to me, flashbacks coming in scenes, highlighting perfect memories. I remember how our hands used to touch, conversation with no end, it's no force. How we used to vibe under the blue skies, but you turned my smiles into gray skies. You became her best to be, and you became my Mr. Gray Skies. You took the best of me and turned it into the worst of me. Mr. Gray Skies, I have to go on. The more we try, the harder to move on. Nothing is good in goodbyes. They say love never dies. Mr. Gray Skies, I have to go on. I did this for me. Don't take it personally. I did this for me. I did this for me. I sense you.
Now I am gonna go back and fill in the section with the regular crochet method.
Your spirit hides from me as tears run down my face. I hear your voice say you'll be okay, but it was all a dream. It was all a dream. Mr. Gray Skies.
This is how the hair looks when I finish and I do achieve my objective. Very light and yeah, looking natural. After I fill in all the parts, now I'll go in and do the trimming and the customization and all the good stuff, you all.
I have to go home. You took something from me. Forgotten my word. You had too much power over me. I can't let this go.
Now I'm gonna use the hedge control and fix these hedges. Had some teenager, baby hair, whatever hair you want to call them at this point. We just gotta make sure the edges are nice and laid. Okay. Now we're going in with a mousse to get rid of all the flyaways and just give the hair some nice boost, you all. And if there are no extra hair to trim, go in and trim them also.
Never dies, Mr. Gray Skies. I have to go home. I did this for me. Don't take it personally.
This is a finished look, you all, and I met my objective. This is exactly the look I was going for. It is not bulky, it is lightweight, and it's also nice and fluffy. It does give me that natural feel, and it didn't take me that long. Just 2 hours with me stopping and eating and doing all kind of stuff before completing, guys. So thank you for watching. As always, I do appreciate you all. Until next time, bye guys.
I can't forget. There's no